Hey guys, here is a video to help you do the circumcenter of a triangle. So the circumcenter is where the three perpendicular bisectors touch or meet in the triangle, or it could be outside or it could be on. If it's a right triangle. If it's an acute triangle though, it's going to be inside. And what we want to do here is, technically we only need to make two of the perpendicular bisectors, because if we do those two correct, then the third one would have to meet there anyways. So let's draw a really big arc, almost, a three-quarter circle off of one of these right here. And then we can, that's going to be for two fish right there. And then we are going to make, we are going to make one here. This one doesn't have to be quite as big. Let's do this here. That's going to be one fish. And then we can make one from this side. And that's your second fish. And then all you gotta do is connect those. One here. I'll fix those in a second. Alright. So we gotta make sure it's gotta be really close, really accurate, because you don't have the third one to check. So just make sure it's a really, really good bisector. It really cuts those in half, the two fish in half. And let's do the same thing on this one, where it really makes the two fish perfectly in half. That is a perpendicular bisector. That is your circumcenter right there. So let me make a dot. This is one of the points that you're going to use for your Euler's line, and you can color code those two lines in the point itself. And you could label it as a letter A or B or C or D and tell what it is, a circumcenter. This point right here is the same distance to all three vertices. This is the point that I use if I want to circumscribe a triangle. If I wanted to make a circle go around the triangle, I would take this point. You don't have to do this, but I'm just telling you what the circumcenter is. You just want to find it for Euler's line. But it is the point where you could make a circle that goes all the way around. It touches all three of your angles perfectly. So that is what that point is. But if you're doing the Euler's line project, you're just needing that for Euler's line. In an acute triangle, this circumcenter is always going to be inside the triangle. All right, see you guys later.